Well, I've got things to reckon with, like they don't judge me, but I judge them. Like she left me destroyed, dying, and I punished her actively, trying. If no one is crying, it's not a thing. I'm sorry, it's not. You simmer, I won't. You be angry and quiet, I'll be angry and violent. But am I really that cruel? I think about the way that I act all the time, and you just look smug and sit quiet in the back, refuse wine. Well, okay, so you're fine. That lost property's mine. Sure, let's say it is. I'll just bin it when I leave right outside. Well, I never was the world to you. Well, I couldn't be. Your world is you. Well, me, messy blood, all splashed around, and you tight-lipped mom. Our love just harmed us. I wish you would admit it, but you never will. The past just melt away. Or will there be a day of, I don't know. Something closer to saying that's what I want. Stop acting like it's a crazy request. I need to hear the words just fall from your lips. Silence doesn't mean you're fine. And
bah
just
voilà.
tell me you're fine.
Oui, sympathique.
Là, ça tire.
And just tell me we're fine. And just tell me
C'est-à-dire qu'il y a eu un
we're
spectateur qui n'a pas raté une miette, quoi.
And just tell me we're fine. And just tell me we're fine.
on s'amuse avec la vieille. Hein. On s'amuse bien. Attends, on est coincé là. Ah. Il est deg. Il est deg. Même orange que tout à l'heure là. Enfin, en plus petite peut-être. Peut-être la même famille. Non, je déconne.